In this video, we're going to go over the key partners area of the business model canvas, and you'll notice that it's next to the key activities and key resources, because if you are filling this out just as the way it is on this canvas, they can point to each other. So some key partners can help you with some key activities or provide some key resources. So you can sometimes have like lines and arrows going from one another. It's not particularly necessary, but it makes it a little nicer and more engaging to fill this out. So let's go over what your key partners are. There's a couple of things you can get from partnerships. Do they supply some kind of materials, goods, inventory? Or do they help you promote? Usually they're resellers. In the online world today, for example, you often have like people who can promote you, sort of maybe influencers in your industry. They are really good for potential partnerships because they can get you immediately more traffic and sales. So anybody with a marketing reach is potentially a reseller. And also one thing that's common today is outsourcing. People who you can hire like freelancers to outsource some of the work can free up some of your resources and make things more efficient. And you'll notice like you can apply this to a traditional business, but the online businesses today, they really fit this model as well, just in a very different way in a way. So the benefits you get are obviously more efficiency, more production, and extra promotion. And what I would add today, and especially for entrepreneurs and first-time entrepreneurs, peer relationships. They're not going to get you immediately more of stuff, but they're going to get you that advice. And coaches and mentors in the beginning, that's also quite a bit of what you need. And those are also common partnerships. The key resource is advice and mentorship, because for new entrepreneurs, and the people in this course are mostly first-time entrepreneurs. So for new entrepreneurs, that's the extra resource, is the advice and just being able to be there and bounce ideas off and brainstorm. That's also helpful. So this section is not a particularly complex section for most online businesses today. There's no inventory to supply so much. So a lot of that isn't there unless you're outsourcing products from something like China and reselling them on Amazon. But other than that, a lot of the online businesses don't necessarily have suppliers, but the key relationships and partnerships are with peers and within your industry, just for advice you need or extra promotion you need, things like that.